In daily use, the Peakzooc stand reveals its strengths most clearly through consistency. Whether positioned on a desk, kitchen counter, or bedside table, it behaves predictably and reliably. For video calls, the adjustable height and tilt allow you to position the phone at eye level without improvisation. During media consumption, switching between portrait and landscape is frictionless, with the magnetic mount enabling quick reorientation. One subtle but important observation is how the stand handles interaction forces. The stand remains anchored, which significantly improves usability in real-world scenarios. The Peakzooc MagSafe phone stand is a product that prioritizes structural integrity and user experience over superficial refinement. It does not attempt to compete on price or minimalism. Instead, it offers a well-executed combination of CNC machine construction, stable base geometry, and genuinely useful adjustability. In practical terms, it solves a common problem: unstable, imprecise phone stands, with a deliberate, engineering-driven approach. The result is an accessory that feels dependable in everyday use, capable of maintaining position, stability, and